definitely has a certain weight to it. So if you have this in your pocket, you're definitely going to feel something in your pocket, but it's a good weight. So now let's take it out of the case. So what I found was that it's actually quite hard to take it out. You can't take it from, you don't want to be tugging on the gimbal, nor do you want to be here trying to touch, like pull the buttons while you're taking it out. So what I found was you would put your finger here and just slide it out this way. There. And with this case, you can now store your accessories in here, which is a nice touch. There is the lens. There's a magnet on the lens, so you can attach accessories. ND filters, wide angle lens, polarized lens. Those are all accessories. And now in terms of microphones, there is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 microphones. They say the mic has been improved over the previous generation. Still takes a micro SD card and has a USB-C charging on the bottom. This is where you connect your lanyard. This is a joystick button, which you can slide off. Okay. Right, so let's power this up. I'm not sure if is it this button on the side? Yes. Okay, let's go through these instructions together. So press button A to switch gimbal follow modes. Okay. Tilt lock. FPV. Okay. Double press A to switch between zoom and gimbal control. Okay, yep, did that. And then the move control stick to control zoom or gimbal rotation. Oh yes, and there is a zoom on this now. So as I'm pressing it right, the gimbal is rotating right, and if I go left, it's going left. All right, so here we are in the main menu. Double tap recenters. What about this? Quick. Ah, there is the zoom. Did you guys see that? So goes up to 4 times zoom. It's actually pretty quick here. Boom. Right. That's currently recording at 1080 at 30 frames per second. And of course I can't record because I don't have an SD card. This is photo mode, video mode. Okay, so video mode, let's get into the settings. Okay, so for video, we can do 1080p, 16:9, and then we can do 24 frames, 25, 30, 48, 50, and 60 frames per second. And then at 2.7K, we can also do the same frame rates. And at 4K, it goes 24 up to 60 as well. All right. Tap here to quickly modify shooting parameters. All right. It's good to know. Now let's go to slow motion. Slow motion shoots at 1080p, and you can choose between 4 times or 8 times. All right, and then let's go to time lapse. So we can do time lapse intervals. 0.5 of half a second all the way up till 1 minute, and duration can be either infinity, 5 minutes, 5 hours. All right, and then we can also do, oops, let's go back one, time-lapse motion. Okay, and also hyperlapse. Right, time-lapse motion is basically you can set the gimbal to say point left or right, and then that would be your point A, and then point B where you want it to end, you set that as well, and then you do the same thing where you choose duration of time, etc., and it will shoot a panned, a moving time lapse, which is why it's called motion lapse. Right, hyperlapse, you walk while you film, and it'll just make everything steady. Oh nice, you can do 4K resolution. That's a nice touch. Okay, so now let's head over to photo mode. Photo mode settings, you can do 16:9 or 4:3, and you can have a countdown now, which is nice. And then panorama, zoom not supported. Okay. You can do 3:3 or 10 or 180 degrees. Also comes with the timer. All right, let's test to see how long it takes to boot up. All right, that's pretty quick. And to turn off. Okay, turn off was pretty much instant. There we have it for the unboxing video of the DJI Pocket 2. All right, and that is it. Thanks for watching this one. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.